I give you my heart.
Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, here we are. Go. We have a bird here. Look at the bird. This is my favorite color. I don't know what's the name, but we said you can see. Yeah, look at the food of the bird over there. And look at that. She's so pretty. Birdie. Yeah. You're here. Yeah. And there's another one here, guys. Yeah. There's another one here. Look at this one, the tiny weeny one. Yeah. This is so cute. And this way, there's an egg inside that one. Meron daw itlog dyan. Ayan. Yeah. But the other one is there. Yeah. Namatay siya. Yeah. Look at that. So cute. Yeah. The birdie. And look at the decoration here because the bird area here. So look at the decoration. Yeah. No, don't touch it, honey. Yeah, look at that. So cute. Look at that. Yeah. And look at this. These are fake, guys. These are fake. That's not real. Yeah. And look at mommy's decoration here. There are more birds. No, don't touch it, honey. Grandma's gonna get mad. No. Yeah, that's so pretty. There's bird more on the top. Yeah. And look at that, guys. Yeah. And there's horse. Yeah. Yeah. And there's more bird on the pool. Yeah. May makulit na bata, guys. Hindi siya pwede isasali kasi lagot tayo kay Lolo. Kaya ito, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung decoration ni Grandma. Yeah, look at that, guys. Yeah. And the bird. I love bird, guys. Look at that, the bird. Yeah. And of course, Jane is there. Yeah. Sabi nila, guys, kakanta na yung bird na yan. Kumakanta, pero kapag andito ka, hindi siya kakanta. Yeah, nahihiya siya. And then, there's a big lake over there. At the back. Yeah. Alam mo, yung nakatira dito mga matatanda. Yeah. Iikot ko kayo sa bahay ni Grandma. And of course, this is Grandma's flower from galing sa kanyang sa kanyang minamahal. Yeah. Oh, Grandma's house is very beautiful. Look at the decoration. Yeah. And Grandma is here. She's cooking because look at that. Grandma is cooking. Meron siyang visitor coming. Yeah. Yeah. Uwi na tayo dyan. Kasi mamaya sabihin niya kakain. Inaantay ito yung pagkain.
Oo naman.
Itong babae ito, inaantay yung pagkain niya.
She knows to I waiting the food. Right, Grandma? I said, you know. She said, she's staring for you, man. She's thinking of
Sinasabi, tingnan mo.
Oh.
See? Pasaway to eh. Oh, tingnan mo siya. Yeah, pasaway yan. Sabi mo, baka mamaya magagalit yung kayang biyanan.
Paalisin niya ako. Tagdakan ko siya.
Huy, bad ka. Ang tapa, no? Yan, Mary Jane. Uy, huwag mo sabihin.
No worry, right? It's okay, I'm eating, right?
So, ayan ulit tayo, guys. So, once again, thank you always for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Buhay ko to vlog. Okay, have a good day. Yan, inikit ko lang kayo, guys. Okay?
Ay, magluluto nga daw siya sa bisita niya. Sabi ko, idamay mo na ako.
Look at the design. It's like This is a dress, and this is a heart. What do you call that, mom?
Heart. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is look at it.
It's a boy's outfit and a girl's outfit.
Exactly. So it's so cool. Look at
All
that.
made
bag.
out of dollar bills. This is
Exactly.
$1 bill on each one.
How do you do that?
It's origami.
This guy is so
Kawig
cool.
ni Vincent.
Yeah, look at that.
What side you?
Red one.
What side you for look Vincent?
I know. Yeah, look at the decoration.
Then,
Kain kami ngayon. Oh, showpiece, look at that, guys. Hindi niya ginawa yung sa akin. So, siya po daw, guys. So, kakain na si kami. Yeah. Nangapit bahay kami, guys. Grandma said you have to put that one like this, Jen. Yeah. Yeah. Ayaw ni Jen eh. Ayaw ng arte-arte. Like that daw, guys. So, ayan. Nagre-reklamo na makikain nga lang eh.
Yung kasi nung wala, ganyan yan.
Yan, yung salad ni Grandma. Salad. Yeah. Yeah, because Grandma's house is so beautiful. Look at there, guys. Yeah. Kakain kami dito. Nangangapit bahay kami. Mamaya, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung pagkain namin. Okay, guys. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it smells really good, guys. Grandma cooked that one. Yeah, did you remember Grandma cooked a... Yeah? Did you remember Grandma cooked a taco before? Yeah, she's the one. And we're here to her house. And look at that, guys. Smells really good. Wow. Yeah. See. Kaya kain-kain tayo mamaya.